Hello guys, Jeff is here again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys some computer tricks you wish you knew earlier. Alright guys, so without waste of time, we're just going to quickly jump in. Even if you use the mouse or the keyboard, this tutorial is definitely for you. So all you just have to do is pause, watch this tutorial and get back to your computer and see how you advance your skill by using some of these tricks I'm going to be showing you today. Do you know that Ctrl T on your keyboard can actually create a new tab? Alright, so now let's try it. I'll be opening this and then I'll just simply tap on Ctrl T. Now this is it. It creates a new tab. So Ctrl T on your keyboard actually creates a new tab on your desktop or your PC. Do you know that Google can actually help you resolve your computer issues instead of you to quickly run down to an expert? Some of us, when we're having issues with our computer, the next step we are going to be taking is to quickly run down to an expert who is going to help us to resolve the issue. But there is an easy way. All you just have to do is go to your Google browser and search on Google what you need to do to help resolve the issue. Okay, let's say for instance, in the process of using our computer, then our computer freezes. Then we can't actually go forward, neither can we go backward. So it just froze and it is there. So you can actually search on your Google and Google is actually going to help you resolve the issue. All you just have to do is go to your Google browser and then you come somewhere here to your search and then you type whatever the problem is, and Google is actually going to give you a step on how you can actually resolve that issue before you can then take it to an expert if the case is critical. Also, do you know that putting your laptop on airplane mode can actually make it charge faster? Yes, it can, because putting on airplane mode is actually going to disable some features such as the Wi-Fi and also that of the Bluetooth. So when you put it on airplane mode, it charges faster. Now, if it can actually take for like 30 minutes for your computer or your PC to charge, then it's going to take around 20 to 25 minutes for it to charge more faster. So putting your laptop or your PC on airplane mode can actually make it charge faster. Also, do you know that you can actually use Google as your currency converter instead of using a calculator or any other mobile app? You can quickly come down to Google and search for the currency. Maybe you're on your way, you're traveling or somewhere, you can quickly come down to Google on your laptop and then you search for converter and then you can convert your currency to any other currency of your choice. Do you also know that there's a much faster and easier way for you to download images on Google by just clicking on your Alt key and then on the image? Now we are going to try that. So let's quickly search for an image. This is my image. Most people, when they wish to download, they will right click on it and then they go down to the save as option and then they can save it. But instead, there's a much easier way. All you have to do now is to hold your Alt key and click on the image. After doing that, you see this right here, it is downloading it. This is it here, it has downloaded it. So this is just how you can actually download from Google, by holding your Alt key and clicking on the image. If you then also wish to turn off or reduce the brightness on your keyboard, all you have to do is to hold your function and F3. And this is how it reduces or turns it off automatically. Alright, so you can actually try that. If function and F3 is not working on your computer or your PC, all you have to do is you just simply click on your F3 on your keyboard. How about you want to take a screenshot on your computer or your PC? All you have to do is to hold your Fn and your Windows, then you click on print screen. Good. Now when it blinks, it has taken a screenshot of your computer. Alright, if you also wish to increase your computer speed, now on your desktop you might be having some softwares. All you have to do is to create a folder, and after creating the folder, then you put in all of the softwares inside the folder. That is actually going to increase the speed of your computer. How can I share my connection if I'm connected to the internet with my desktop or my PC? How can I share it to someone else? That is using the hotspot. Now all I have to do is make sure I'm connected to the internet first, then I come right down here and click on this. Now when I click on this, this comes out. So what I will need to do now is to turn on my hotspot. After I am be connected to the internet, I'll turn on my hotspot. So after this is turned on, then I can now connect from my phone or whichever gadgets I am using. First, like I said, you need to make sure you are connected to the internet. Then after that, you can turn on your hotspots to connect. So this is the maximum 8. Just 8 persons can actually connect to my hotspot. How can I also recover deleted file? All I have to do is to go right straight to my recycle bin. This is my recycle bin. When you go to your desktop, you'll find the recycle bin at the top there. I have my recycle bin here. So when I open this, I can now recover files that I have deleted. So how about I want to recover files that I have also deleted from my recycle bin? All I have to do is to download Recover. Now, Recover is actually going to help me to recover lost files or even files that I have deleted from my recycle bin. You might actually be wondering, I've deleted this file for a very long time. Yes, Recover is actually going to still help you to recover that same file. How can I also keep my desktop on my PC safe from virus? All you have to do is quickly download SmartDAV. Now, SmartDAV is going to help you to keep your computer safe from virus. Even if you inject a flash or whatever, or even be it a disk that is having a virus, SmartDAV is going to clean the virus from that flash or disk before you can actually use it on your computer. So these are just the tricks that will actually help you and that you should know before you get back on your computer. So if you actually find this helpful, do not forget, drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know if this was actually helpful or which really amazes you. Drop it in the comment section. Alright, if you like to learn about Microsoft Word, the introduction to Microsoft Word, do well to hit the next video. That video is going to take you through the step-by-step on how you should understand Microsoft Word and be able to use it until you become a pro in Microsoft Word. Alright guys, I'll see you there.